Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. How's it going today, and what are you building? Let me know. Today, I decided to build, and I built it live. If you can see the video, you can just watch it. You can see me build it live. I built the Friends Drawer set 40266. It has 105 pieces, ages 6 and up. Of course it's up because no one counts age, remember that. This is a really cute little set. This was like a promo set that we got at Toys R Us by buying so many Friends, or I think it was Lego of any kind, Friends or City. And if you bought Friends, you would get a Friends set, or you could get a City fella on a motorbike type of thing. It may have been a policeman or something like that. This is more so than worth it than a poly bag of the little policeman. So I wanted a Friends set, so I got it. And this is what it basically looks like. You can put some rings or trinkets or some minifigs. Probably get a minifig or two in there, or a couple of the Friends dolls. And also here is a drawer, and like the two leftover parts I just put in there. So in this drawer is kind of like a little pull out, and it's kind of cool because they have these side angles here on the sides so that it can easily go in and won't get caught, because if you had it as the studs it would get caught. That's pretty neat. And like I said, stickers, there's no printing on it, it's all stickers. I'm not a fan of stickers, as you know, but it is pretty neat. It's a neat little drawer set, and it's cute for any little thing. You can put some rings in it, you could put like I said, you can put anything in them, and it's kind of cool. Put some coins in there if you'd like, you know, type of thing. So girls would really like this, I think, and I'm sure there's quite a few fellows out there that would like this as well. I personally like it. I love the colors of this set. I just happen to love the aqua and the mauve and the green, and well, the pink goes well with it too. And I gotta say, this is a cute little set. Came in a box like here, this box of course, and I think after the promo they were selling them for like $12 or $13 a piece. So, but would it be worth it? Yeah, probably so. I think it's cool. It's has like a lot of functionality to it, even though it's just like a little, well, desk or coffee table top thing there going on, and the drawer to it there. You know, hey, there's all kinds of little fun things you can put in it. So that's the basics of the review for this little treasure box from Friends. I don't know if it's a drawer or a treasure box or what you could call it. It really doesn't have a name on the box. So if you want to give it a name, sure, by all means, let's call it something. I'm going to call it the little treasure box. So that about wraps up this review of Friends Set 40266, the treasure box. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And at the 1000th subscriber, there will be a video put out for a giveaway. So at 1000 subscribers, there will be a special giveaway video. So tell your friends to comment, like, and subscribe, especially subscribe down below. And let's help build this channel big time. Until the next time, remember, if you can dream it, you can build it. And I'll see you again soon.